Welcome class second. Today we will start next chapter number 7, a matter of taste. In class second, you people are very slow in completing your work. Most of the students are not sending work on time. So complete your work and send your pictures. Otherwise you people will not get next video. So this is a poem, this is a rhyme, and this rhyme is about a child. In this, the poet is asking the child what he likes to eat. So let's see the rhyme. What does your tongue like the most? Chewy meat or crunchy toast? So here poet is asking the child that what do you like to eat and what your tongue is like to eat. Either you like meat or you like toast. Chewy means it need to chew, and crunchy means it creates a noise when we cut it. A lumpy bumpy pickle or tickly pop, a soft marshmallow or hard lime drop. So poet is asking, do you like pickles, lumpy which have lumps, or do you like sweet drinks, or either you like marshmallow or lime drop? Hot pancakes or sherbet freeze, celery noise or quiet cheese? Do you like pancake or cool drink, fruit juice, or you like salad or cheese? Or do you like pizza more than any of these? And then poet is asking, do you like pizza except all the things? So it's a very simple rhyme, and in this poet is asking the taste of the child which he likes to eat, and in this he is asking about the lots of delicious food. So learn it and make a video clip. Complete your work on time. So students, open your English first copy and write today's date, lesson number 7, lesson name, a matter of taste. So firstly we will do keywords. Everyone knows it. We will do keywords. So in this we will write keywords in the shape of plate. So take a circular thing and draw a plate. So our keywords are tongue, chewy, meat, toast, T-O-A-S-T, toast, crunch, lump, marshmallow, cheese, pizza. Now write question answer from page number 62. Question number 1 is, which part of body help us to taste food? So which part? Tongue. Tongue helps us to taste food. Full stop. And which sense organ is the longest sense organ? Skin. Next question is, which food item do you like the most from the poem and why? So this is your homework. This you will write yourself. Which food item do you like the most and why you will write here. So next exercise is complete the lines of the poem. So write all the sentences and the missing words we will write on a plate. Hot dash or a sherbet freeze. So hot pancakes, P-A-N-C-A-K-E-S, pancakes. What does your dash like the most? What does your tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue like the most? A soft marshmallow or a hard dash? lime drop, LIME, lime, DROP, lime drop. Stop. Fourth is, or do you like dash more than any of these? Or do you like pizza, PIZZA. Next is, chewy meat or crunchy dash, chewy meat or crunchy toast, TOAST, toast. So next exercise B we will do in book. Write the words used to describe the following items. So you have to write describing words of the following words which are given here. So describing words means which showing the quality of this word. First is meat. So which word is describing meat? Chewy. The next is toast. Crunchy. Crunchy. Next is pickle. Lumpy. Lumpy. Bumpy. You can write only one word. Pop. Tickly. Marshmallow. Marshmallow are soft. Describing word is soft. Lime drop. Hard. This is wrong spelling. Pancakes. Hot pancakes. Sherbet. Freeze. Celery. Noise. Cheese. Quiet. So this you have to do in book. So the next is, after the completing the lines, we will do activity 1. So your activity is collect the pictures of food items that you like and paste here. So this activity you have to do on a whole page. You have to collect the pictures of food item which you like the most and make a collage here. Collage means randomly you have to paste the pictures. Now activity 2. So your next activity is see the pictures and fill in the missing letters. So here write the missing letter. First is toast. TOAST. And this is marshmallow. MARSHMALLOW. These are candy. CANDY. This is celery. This is like a salad. Next is cheese. CHEESE. This one is pizza. All the pictures, whatever the pictures are there from chapter 1 to this chapter, you have to color it. Complete your work, because up to this your half yearly syllabus is completed. Half yearly syllabus of English first is completed. So complete your work. You have 2 days holidays. Complete your work. Color all the pictures from chapter 1 to 7 and send your pictures in your group. Otherwise your English second syllabus will not be start, because you are not completing this work. Okay, thank you.